New gorgeous braiding hairstyles. Beautiful cornrows. Wow. Check out these 3 steps Ghana weaving. Okay. This is so beautiful. Yeah, we'll have a lot of beautiful and creative hairstyles to showcase today. As you can see, guys, just relax and make your choice. Wow, look at this fine ponytail, very beautiful. Wow, as you can see, this is a box braid with crisscross pattern. Okay, wow, so beautiful. This is a jungle braid. Yeah, tell me if you're going to try it out on your next hairdo. Very beautiful Ghana weaving, creative. Wow, this is another beautiful one. Yeah, it's neatly done. As you can see, it is very beautiful. This is another beautiful ponytail, very beautiful. Just relax, guys, and enjoy the video. Okay, I will be back with the intro. Hey peculiar hair fans and lovers, welcome back to our channel. You are watching Peculiar Hair. Feel good and look beautiful. Oh yes, your beauty is our concern. Okay, yeah, here we have hair tutorial videos. We showcase the latest African American hairstyles for kids, women and men of all ages. Here you can find the latest trending hairstyles for your next hairdo. Okay, feel free to share our videos. Drop a like if you enjoy watching. Add your comments below if the comment section is open. Subscribe, yeah, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to all if you haven't done that already. Okay, so to keep seeing our videos each time we upload. Okay, yeah, stay tuned and watch till the end. Thank you. Yes, who is still watching? Do you know that you are the winner? You are the winner. Yes, guys, if you are still watching till this point and you haven't dropped a like yet, now go ahead and hit the like button. Add your comment below. For now, see you guys on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Remain blessed. Make sure you take good care of yourself. Be safe out there. And always remember to feel good and look beautiful. Bye, guys.